Alright, it's Casual Daddy here, about to unbox the Breeo fire pit. Why be a father when you could be a daddy? Well, there's Jonathan, his debut on YouTube. He's not looking too enthusiastic. Alright, and that's Hunter. He at least smiles. You gonna smile, Jonathan, or no? No? There it is. There's a little bit. Alright, well, we're gonna unbox this thing. First thing we gotta do though before we unbox it is
YouTubers do that.
YouTubers do that?
Yeah.
Alright. So we got these bricks here we need to put on our patio because I am told that this sucker gets very, very hot, like 1600 degrees hot. So we're gonna go ahead and we are going to put those bricks on first. All right, so we have our bricks down, center on the patio. Jonathan wants to narrate evidently, although he probably shouldn't be. He should just watch and learn. So let's crack this thing open. Alright. Okay, here we go. That is a heavy one.
Oh, I know.
Jonathan, hold the box. Alright. Go ahead and move the box out of the way. Alright. It's a handsome fire pit, that's right. Alright.
And that's this.
Take our stuff out of the
fire pit.
Out of the inside here.
And fire pit.
Yep. So we have our little books. We have our books. And we have our little sticker, which we will give to Jonathan here. Here's your sticker. You put that where you want. And there it is. That is the fire pit. Those are the oxygen holes underneath it. You got the sear plate, which you can put a grill on. It looks small, but the sucker gets really hot. It's got the patina on it, which is really nice because it will weather over time. So, pretty awesome little fire pit here. Let's get it set up. All right, there we go. Right, and I think make sure we're level, and almost on the center a little bit. Make sure it's not going to burn any of the patio, because again, this sucker gets super, super hot.
Wait, 14?
Yes, like 1400. All right, I think we are.
I go to 1400.
Almost.
Cause I'm not go by that. Only have to go wait.
All right, I think we got it. Okay. All right, I think we are. Let me see if we are golden here with the centering. I think we are. Let's see. Are we centered? Looks pretty good on that side. Looks pretty good on that side. Pretty good on that side. And pretty good on that side. All right, let's get this sucker ready and let's start some fires. All right, so we are going to get this guy going. We have our fire start, which I love these little things. You can get them cheap. Walmart, a big old pack of them, and they actually do work pretty well. What I usually do is I do tend to open them on a couple of the ends, and then you just light the package. But this stuff usually catches, and it's pretty good for starting a fire. So we're just going to put that right in the center there, and then we got some cardboard I'm going to throw in there just as a good base.
Yeah, good base. Like local base.
Alright. Now it is a windy Memorial Day weekend, so I don't know how well this is actually going to catch here, but we are going to try.
Wait, 14. It's wind not blowing.
Wind not blowing. It's like 14. Okay, now we're going to get some logs.
I get some logs.
right, we got our logs here. So the sear plate is for cooking. You actually can grill on this thing, which we're not going to necessarily do right now.
Whoa.
Maybe in a later video, but
Of cake on here?
yeah, we're going to cook on here.
It's not impossible. It's insane and impossible.
All right, so you can see you got to have small wood for this one. This is the 19. This is not the 24 series, so it is a little smaller. Takes a little bit more maneuverability. I don't love this teepee that I set up, but we're going to give it a shot and see if we can get it to go. I also have these little fire starters, which I also recommend, and there's also some good fire starters on Amazon that are real cheap. It's a powder you can put in there that'll start the fires too. So we're just gonna kind of keep this maybe underneath so it catches that wood. And I got some oxygen in there, so let's get some lighter and we're gonna get this sucker started. All right, let's try to light this thing now. Okay, there's one side of it, and I probably kind of blocked the other side here. There it is.
It's working.
Over here. So you can kind of see this little piece down there. Try to get it. Yeah, very good. Be very careful when you guys do this. Don't try it at home unless you're an adult or drunk.
Yeah, wait, yo. Because you parents will do this.
All right.
And somebody watched out.
Okay, I think we at least got her started so far. Let's see if the other this little stuff catches. Let's try to light it. Again, don't forget the good part about this fire pit is it is smokeless once you get the fire going. I am burning pallet wood, so there's gonna be some smoke in there.
And let's eat on here.
And we're gonna eat on here, yeah. Well, we gotta cook food, but we're not gonna do that today, buddy. All right, but the oxygen underneath should fuel it.
And let's do that. I'm talking to myself.
The oxygen underneath should fuel it, so.
Huh.
Okay.
Whoa, that cooking so wow.
Cooking what?
Cooking only those.
Well, we're not cooking anything, buddy.
Yeah.
We're just seeing if it works. We're just testing it out.
Yeah, that's testing it in case I want to cook on here sometimes.
That isn't Katniss Everdeen. That's just my text messages, by the way, if you guys hear that in the background. And once again, that's Jonathan, who doesn't ever stop talking. And you wonder why I drink so much. All right.
Yeah, because they had.
Because why? Because why? What were you saying?
That I want to. Because I love to talk.
Okay, yeah, but you don't. You also need to love to shut up. All right. Here we go. I think we might have something going. All right, we're gonna throw a little kindling in here, some sticks, to see if we can get it going a little faster. Grab those, break them up in little pieces. Give me little sticks. All right. This is why you have children, so they could do things for you, like mow lawns and break sticks. Yep, that's a good one. Throw it in. Just throw it right on top. Keep breaking. Give me more. There you go. Yeah, throw it in, buddy. All right. Keep going. We need more. Give me a bunch of little, not the leaves yet, because that'll be too smoky. All right, get little sticks. Throw them in. Go. Nope, dog, can't, no fire, get away. Try to throw them on top of the fire. There you go. And this thing gets, don't touch the fire pit. It's this sucker right here gets very hot. It will burn your hands. Do not touch the sear plate, because again, that's what you cook on. Pretty cool. All right, Jonathan, throw all those sticks in. Throw them in, you're fine. Good job. It's called safety, boys and girls. All right, I think we are golden. Looks like we have a roaring fire.
Yeah.
So, yes. Wait, say that again. What was that, Jonathan?
Bravo.
Bravo. Very nice. All right.
Bravo. Click on here. Bravo.
So, you can kind of see right now, if you hold it like this, that there really isn't a ton of smoke. It's, again, the oxygen underneath. See those little holes around the rim?
Yeah.
Those also help with letting the oxygen out, and the smokeless piece. So there you go. That's the Breeo fire pit unboxed. That's a nice, beautiful, pretty little fire. Next to the happy little trees and the happy little kids and casual daddies. So this guy has been going for about 10 minutes now, and as you can see, perfectly smokeless. It is doing what it needs to do. Thanks, Breeo. You guys did an excellent job with this fire pit. I am probably 4 feet away from it. I can still feel the heat. So that is pretty spectacular and awesome. Money well spent. And of course, the sear plate was purchased extra for grilling. So once again, thanks, Breeo. You guys do good work. We are cooking our first set of hot dogs on this thing, and you can see that they twitch from the heat. It's pretty crazy. It's going to cook real fast. We already dropped one in. That's why they're facing the way they're facing, because they fall in really easy. So you got to be careful. That's something I'll have to practice again. This is the first time this is the first time we've cooked on it, and as you can see, it's doing a pretty darn good job. These hot dogs are just about done. So absolutely fantastic purchase. This video at night does show a lot more smoke than you see in person. In person, it's basically non-existent. Highly recommend the Breeo fire pit. Great purchase. This is Casual Daddy, signing out.